Though there is a growing importance of sustainability, organizations are making little efforts to instill a culture of sustainability. The process of strategic planning and operational choices in the business environment has not yet emphasized sustainability, and several reasons can be attributed for the same.
Welcome to Force Edu, a place where all the business and supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel yet, you are missing out on a value-adding content.
Lack of regulatory framework. Public policy and government agencies are increasingly taking a hard look at issues related to sustainability. Various international conferences also put pressure on the government to introduce new laws. Emission norms, such as Bharat Stage 4, waste disposal regulations, and product return regulations are just a few examples. In a country like India, while certain pollution control measures are in place, regulations such as recycling have not yet been implemented. In addition, there are serious shortcomings in the application of existing laws. In the years to come, we will see stronger regulation, better enforcement, and stronger reporting requirements for business organizations. Mindset inertia. Organizations are used to specific methods of operation. The new changes demanded by sustainable practices are forcing them to change their thinking about the many jobs they do. Management systems must promote better utilization and reuse of resources. These changes are less likely to occur immediately, as there is no apparent value in these in a straightforward manner. Operations managers and design engineers will see this as an unnecessary new problem in their operating systems. Lack of top management vision. In order to address the problems of mindset inertia in the organization, senior management must intervene and lead the change. Employees need to be adequately nurtured by the need to build sustainable future organizations and the kind of changes needed to make this change. They also need to be exposed to their changing role in the process. In addition, due to the introduction of new technologies to address sustainability, they need training and skilling. Senior management must play an active role in this process of managing change. If senior management suffers from ambiguity and perception, then there will be major challenges in building a sustainable organization. Inability to see the big picture. One of the main reasons why senior management is less committed to building a sustainable future organization is their inability to see the big picture ahead. In the future, organizations with a clear vision and strategy to respect the overall goal of stability are more likely to survive. Failure to see the big picture presents several problems in the organizational journey to building a sustainable organization. Need for substantive investments. Building a sustainable business requires new investment. Investing in LED-powered lighting systems, using natural lighting, cooling air circulation, wind power, and solar energy may require structural modification, as well as the addition of new infrastructure. Similarly, major changes will be required in patterns of energy consumption, material selection, and technology. Crisis is yet to blow over. An important obstacle to building stable organizations is that there is no imminent threat to the functioning of the organization. Although we pollute and use natural systems in general, the market does not seem to punish organizations for their unethical actions. Nor are there strict regulations and enforcement by government agencies. For these reasons, organizations need prior thinking and careful planning to create sustainable jobs. Proper understanding of the value of building sustainable organizations and proper investment in systems will reward the organization with the benefits of market strategies. Customers' perception about the organization and the products and services they offer will change. Over time, the organization will improve its competitive advantage by focusing on its competitors. Thank you for watching the video. To know more about the notion of sustainability in operations and SCM, stay tuned to our channel Force Edu and watch out for our next video.